Welcome back to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Outlook email on your iPad. There is a lot of stuff you should know about it. Let's get into it right now. Firstly, you actually have two options when it comes to setting up Outlook on your iPad. You can integrate it into the built-in email client, which is the Bluemail app pre-installed on your device, or you can download the Outlook app as a standalone email client. Let's explore how each of these options works and what steps you need to take. The built-in Bluemail app on your iPad is quite versatile. It allows you to manage multiple email accounts in one place, whether you use Gmail, iCloud, or Outlook. To set up Outlook in this app, open the Mail app. If you haven't set it up before, you'll be prompted to choose from a list of email providers. Select Outlook from the options available and follow the prompts to sign in and complete the setup process. If you've already set up other email accounts in the Bluemail app, you can add Outlook by going to the Settings app on your iPad. Scroll down to Mail, then tap on Accounts. Here, you'll see the option to add or delete accounts. Choose Outlook from the list and sign in with your Outlook credentials. This way, you can manage your Outlook emails alongside your other email accounts in one convenient location. However, if you prefer a more focused experience, personally, I find this option better as it is specifically designed for Outlook and offers a more tailored user experience. To get started, head over to the App Store and search for the Outlook app. Download and install it on your iPad. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in with your Outlook email address and password. The setup process is straightforward and user-friendly, guiding you through each step to get your email up and running. With the Standalone app, you'll have access to features and optimizations that are unique to Outlook, making it an excellent choice for managing your email. Thank you for watching this video on Foxtecc. I hope you found this guide helpful in setting up your Outlook email on your iPad. Whether you choose to integrate it with the built-in Mail app or use the standalone Outlook app, you now have the tools to make the best decision for your needs. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you guys later.